Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming products, the Ufree electric razor and the GSKY hair clippers. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. The Ufree electric razor is designed specifically for shaving, while the GSKY hair clippers offer a versatile grooming kit. Let's dive in. The Ufree electric razor is priced at $79, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable shaving tool. In contrast, the GSKY hair clippers come at a higher price of $130, reflecting its multifunctional capabilities and additional features. If you're on a tight budget, the Ufree may be the better choice, but if you're looking for versatility, the GSKY could be worth the investment. The Ufree electric razor is a dedicated shaver, designed specifically for achieving a close shave with its powerful motor and titanium blades. On the other hand, the GSKY hair clippers offer a versatile grooming kit that includes a clipper, trimmer, razor, and nose hair cutter, catering to various grooming needs. This makes the GSKY a more comprehensive choice for users who want multiple tools in one package. Both products feature rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, but their performance varies. The Ufree electric razor boasts an impressive runtime of up to 150 minutes on a full charge, making it suitable for extended use. In comparison, the GSKY hair clippers have different runtimes for each tool, with the clipper lasting 150 minutes, the trimmer 90 minutes, and the razor 90 minutes. Depending on your grooming needs, battery performance may play a significant role in your decision. In conclusion, both the Ufree electric razor and GSKY hair clippers offer unique benefits depending on your grooming preferences. The Ufree is an affordable, dedicated shaver, while the GSKY provides a versatile grooming kit for various needs. Consider your budget and grooming style before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.